Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make game pass on Roblox. First of all, you have to open on browser, on file or on PC. Just go to roblox.com. Once you guys here on the Roblox homepage, you just need to tap on this or click on this create tab over here. It will take you to the creator hub. Here you have to click on this creation option. Click on it. If you don't see this option, means you have to open your menu option in the mobile. Click on it and it will take you to the creations where you will see these options: experience, events, avatar items, and development items. You just need to be in the experience and click on your default experience, which will be by your username. Click on it, and here you have to again open menu if you are on mobile. On PC it will always keep open, so you just need to be under the monetization and click on this passes option here. As you can see, the passes option can be found here. Earlier it was in the different location. After a new update it has changed. Now you just need to click on this create a pass button to make your own game pass. Scroll down and just enter the name of the game pass. Click on this passes create pass button. Click on it. Once you create your own game pass, you just need to click on this. Now you have to click on this sale option here in the menu, and let's light it up for the sale and enable this item for the sale and enter the cost here like 200 and click on save button. So after saving the sale settings, guys, you just need to open please donate and just need to claim your stand and your game pass will be listed there. That's how you can do it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.